Good afternoon. My name is Don Kudo. I'm the county engineer with Wellington County. I'd like to welcome everyone to our Badley Bridge event. This is the live stream event, our first time for the county to live stream an event. And it's being live streamed on Facebook and YouTube. And a recording of this ceremony is going to be made available on our website following this, this event right now. So, to start off, I'd like to welcome you to this event. We are doing this virtually, of course, and it's National Public Works Week. National Public Works Week is being celebrated right across North America to recognize all the hard work our public works staff do every day to keep communities safe, functioning, and well maintained. So here at the County of Wellington, we have 120 staff in the public works realm, in the engineering services department, in our roads and solid waste groups, and we provide service every day to help the quality of life here in Wellington County. So with the Public Works National Public Works Week event today, this is the one event that we could host, and it's virtual, and it's great to be able to celebrate the work that we do in roads and solid waste. And so we're going to do this plaque unveiling and sculpture unveiling as well for the Badley Bridge event. So today we have the Roads Committee Chair, Mayor Andy Lennox. He's the Mayor of Wellington North and also a County Councillor. And we also have the Warden, County Warden, Kelly Linton, who's also the Mayor of the Township of Centre Wellington, to speak today. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Andy Lennox, our Roads Chair.
Thanks, Don, and good afternoon, everyone. It's a beautiful day to be out here celebrating this bridge opening today. Just like to talk a little bit about some facts around county roads and bridges. Of course, county roads are critical for transportation infrastructure for our population, for our businesses, and for our tourism industry. Many of our bridges and roads have been around for a long time, and sometimes they, with a little age, they need some attention. So on this Badley Bridge is a great example of that. It's being renewed. The bridge has been here for a very long time, but it needed to be upgraded. So the county is very active in maintaining our roads infrastructure. Includes over 100 bridges across the county. And over the next 10 years, we're planning to spend over $40 million, around $43 million to upgrade and maintain our bridges across the county, with the help of our federal and provincial partners. This bridge, the Badley Bridge, is now open to traffic, has been open to traffic since late last fall, which was on time, and it was on budget as well, despite the challenges that COVID-19 posed with protocols for the workforce, despite the challenges it made with getting supplies and that sort of thing. It still came in on time and on budget, which we're thrilled about. Now, having said that, it would be inappropriate if I didn't thank the project team for all their effort to make that happen, both on time and on budget, including the contractor, Luby Construction, our engineering consultant at WSP, our county roads staff, and particularly our county manager of roads, Joe DeConing, Triton Engineering, BTE Engineering, and a Township of Centre Wellington, who was also a partner in this project. And we also need to thank our federal government partners for their commitment to municipal infrastructure. Through their FCM, or Federation of Canadian Municipalities, the gas tax fund, $1.7 million of that gas tax fund went to this $8 million project. So as you can see, it's a very important part of our funding to keep our roads and bridges infrastructure up to date. So again, lovely to be here today on a beautiful sunny May day, and with no further ado, I'll turn the podium over to Warden Linton.
Thank you very much, Mayor Lennox. Good to have you here in Centre Wellington. Investing in providing our communities with safe, well-designed and well-maintained transportation network is one of Wellington County's core responsibilities. And so this being National Public Works Week, I want to thank our entire county engineering team in doing what they do day in, day out to make sure the county's transportation system is in good shape. So thanks to our whole team. This is a really exciting day for me. So growing up here in Elora, I've crossed this river, usually on my bike, hundreds and hundreds of times. So the good news now is when I cross the new Badley Street Bridge, I don't feel it swaying underneath me. So Wellington County's decision to replace the old iconic steel truss bridge was absolutely necessary. After carefully considering both rehabilitation and replacement options, our team evaluated 16 alternatives and over 50 factors, including cost and safety, and the decision to build new was made at that point. As you can see behind me, the new Badley Street Bridge features a more open view of the Grand River, provides wider traffic lanes and sidewalks, improved lighting, unique community design gateway feature, and an expanded observation deck. I want to speak a little bit about this unique gateway feature for a minute. So from day one, Wellington County recognized that this bridge was an important gateway into Elora. And so building some sort of entrance feature was something that was identified as something important right away. So the original gateway feature design did not receive a whole lot of positive comments at our public meeting. So we made the decision to give the community an opportunity to design a gateway feature themselves. So firstly, I want to give credit where it is due and thank Laura Demers for organizing and coordinating the community involvement. Instead of just complaining about the original gateway feature design, Laura volunteered to put together a volunteer group to help with this design from the Elora community. And that sounded like a great idea to me. So county staff provided some dimensions, provided a due date and some financial support within the bridge budget, and the community took it from there. So like any piece of art, people will love or hate this gateway feature. I personally love it. And I'm very thankful for those individuals in our community who volunteered their time and their artistic talent to design this unique gateway feature. In addition, the crossing the grand storyboard recognizes the history and location of this bridge. I am honored to be the warden of a county that takes seriously their responsibility to invest in our infrastructure and to do it in a way that reflects local features of our communities that we serve. So thanks to our entire county team. And at this point, I turn it back over to our engineering director, Don.
Great. Thank you so much for those kind words, Chair Lennox and Warden Linton. It's greatly appreciated by the staff. And at this point, if Kelly and Andy could make their way over to the storyboard, we'll do the unveiling of this crossing of the grand storyboard, which really is a commemorative piece that tells you the history of this location here on the Grand River near Elora. Go ahead. That's great. And as you can see, it has many different features with some history of Arthur Badley and just generally the history that's of crossing the Grand at this location. Of course, just behind Warden Linton is the sculpture, and we do have a temporary plaque that we'll be replacing it with a full-time plaque in the future, but it recognizes the community and the artists involved for putting up this gateway feature. And now, Warden Linton and Mayor Lennox, if you want to move over to the bridge plaque area, we'll unveil the bridge plaque. All right. And of course, we have our great road students out here to help us with some traffic control as we temporarily stop the traffic and move over to the bridge plaque. So we are here in downtown Elora on the Grand River, in Wellington County. Wellington County is about 100 kilometers west of Toronto along the 401. And there's 7 different municipalities in Wellington County. So the warden and Chair Lennox are there to unveil the plaque. All right. Well, the bridge plaque recognizes County Council, recognizes the contractor, the designers, and recognizes the fact that we have this wonderful new bridge in the County of Wellington. So with that, it is the end of our National Public Works Week event. Once again, this is our one virtual event that we are hosting. There has been a number of events hosted right around Ontario as part of the Ontario Public Works Association. It is getting close to the end of the week, but Public Works has been celebrated right across the province, and we were doing a little bit of that today here in Wellington County. So with that, I'd like to thank Steve Bergwiff with Iron Cloud Productions, Rachel Wilson, Joe DeConing, and other county staff for today's event. I'd also like to thank County Council for the support County Council provides to Wellington County staff, in particular in our Engineering Service Department in Roads and Solid Waste. We receive such great support from County Council, and it is well recognized, and thank you so much. And with the National Public Works theme of Stronger Together, these are challenging times, and I hope you recognize your essential workers in public works in your communities as well. So thank you very much from Wellington County.